So this is my 2012 bike check. The Steed. First up, we've got the Snafu Mayweather cranks with a Snafu sprocket with a titanium hollow axle and titanium bolts on the end. Over to the wheels, we've got profile hubs with tie bolts, tie 9-tooth driver. I've got them tie spokes in the rainbow colour. Alienation Felon rim on the rear. Skylark rim on the front. I love them. I love my wheels right now. My wheels are one of my favourite features on my bike. Me and Snafu are working together on a fork called the Magical Fork, which is my signature forks. They're 10mm, tapered. Up here we've got the Failure headset in anodized red, Snafu gyro in purple, running them Snafu cables too. Colony official stem with chrome Maniac bars, ODI O grips, Odyssey lever, a collat seat and seat combo, demolition calipers with the bearings in them. I like them, they feel good. Oh, and tyres. 1.5 on the rear, 2 on the front in the KG Mac foldable. On the frame. Nearly forgot about the vest. Failure Maniac 20.4 gloss black frame. This is my machine.